Today I thought I would show you how I wash my fruits and produce. First, I want to mention I have really made the switch to only buying organic. I really want to lessen the glyphosate amount that I get in my diet. So I take the fruit, I put it in a bowl, and I put baking soda over it. I kind of have a two-step process. The first one is putting baking soda over my fruit, filling it with water, and letting it sit for up to 10 minutes. And you will be kind of amazed at what you'll see in the bottom of the bowl. So I'll let that sit for a little bit. And then I just take the grapes out one by one and just kind of give them a rinse. I like to do this. I don't like to just dump it all in the strainer because I want to see what's left at the bottom of the water. Yeah. Sometimes I've seen little bugs. The other day there was a ladybug, and sometimes there just looks like nasty little floaters. Who knows what they are? So this is my first step. So next I'm just going to rinse them, put them back in the bowl. And I'm going to put them back in the bowl and refill my water. And then I have a machine that is in my garage, and it's a Therasage is the brand. It's an Ozone Bubbler, and what it does, it will kill any bacteria that's on your fruit. So this is the Therasage Ozone Bubbler. So it has a little attachment that you put in the water. You set it for 10 minutes. That is the kills bacteria setting. And so I just let the fruit bubble for 10 minutes. And then when it's done, I just take that out and hang it up. And usually this time around there's really not much in the bottom of the water. But I will just simply do the same thing. I'll kind of rinse the grapes off because I like to see the bottom of the water to see if there's anything I missed, because it is sort of fascinating how dirty your fruit can be. And so that's my two-step process: the baking soda and the Therasage Ozone Bubbler to kill any bacteria off. And that is it. My takeaway is to buy organic and to wash your produce really well, even if it's with the baking soda or some white vinegar. Just soak it for about 10 minutes to try to get off any pesticide residue or bacteria that may be on your produce.